How to copy your page post link on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to copy your page post link on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then scroll down until you find the pages, and now just select your page, and here you will find this one, your post, and click these 3 points here and you will find the copy link, and as you see the link have been copied, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.